This next video is a webinar that I did on promotion codes. This webinar will take you through how to create promotion codes, use them at the point of sale, and analyze them on a report. Promotion codes are used to track why a customer came in your store. Did they come in your store because of a TV ad, a radio ad, a coupon that you did, a postcard that you send out? You can track that reason at the point of sale and be able to tell if that particular promotion was profitable or not. So we're going to start with the first part, which is setting up the promotion codes. At the top right hand corner, you'll be at your top level organization, and we're going to go to Setup, Codes, and Manage Promotion Codes. This will bring you into the Manage Promotion Code screen. You have the promotion code. This code can be up to 8 numbers or letters or combination of for the code. Then for the description, you can type much more on this line. Those are the 2 required fields. So if you see that blue line, that means that that is a required field where you have to type information into that field. The other optional fields are where you can record the number of pieces that you sent out, the cost of the promotion, and the start date and the end date of the promotion. So I'm going to say that we're just going to set up a generic one called radio for the code. And the promotion description, we're also going to type in radio. And we're not going to do any pieces or cost or start date or end date. This will be just more of a generic promotion code if you want to keep track of maybe a radio ad that you did, more generic, of why that customer came in your store. You can also be more specific if you did a specific radio advertisement and you want to keep track of that when you started it and when you ended it. Then you can see if that radio ad was beneficial or not. Once I type that information in that I want, I can click on Save down at the bottom. I'm going to pull up an existing one that we already have created, so I'm going to click on the View Lookup tool up at the top and click on Lookup. I could look it up by description if I wanted to by typing in the description, or if I just click on Lookup, that's going to bring up all of my promotion codes. And I'm going to bring up the one that says Postcard July 2010. And I'm just going to click on Select. So this is one that I created. It was a postcard that I sent out. The code that I created was PC and then a space 0710. So that tells me it's a postcard that I sent out in July of 2010. I typed in my description, Postcard July 2010. I sent out 1,000 pieces. The cost of the promotion was $800. My start date was July 6th and my end date for this promotion is July 31st. So that's another way that you can get real specific on a promotion to be able to tell exactly the dollars that were spent and then the start date and end date of that promotion. So you can really have as many promotion codes as you want. As you notice, when I click on the Lookup and I click on the More button, I can keep clicking on More, and that's going to bring up my entire list of promotions that I have. And I can just use the scroll bar to scroll up and down. And you can be as specific as you want on promotions or generic as you want. And it has the information on the lookup, the promotion code, description, cost, and pieces. And if you just want to select it, click on Select. And then if you wanted to edit this promotion code, you certainly could do that here. So you have the code, the description, if there was any pieces, any cost, start date, and end date. So that's the first part of promotion codes, just setting up what you want for the promotion codes. The second part is done at the point of sale, where you can actually track why that customer came in your store.